In my previous video, I showed the difference between cheap and expensive wireless Apple CarPlay. However, the one question I kept getting asked is, how do I make my existing Apple CarPlay wireless? Hey guys, can you sure make more videos again? In this video, I'm going to show you how this can make your Apple CarPlay wireless. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so first thing first, I have my iPhone right here, and as you can see, it's plugged into the actual car, and that is how I get CarPlay. And this gets annoying at times because sometimes I don't want to plug it in. However, we have a solution here, wireless CarPlay adapter. Let's unbox this. Very simple box, no frills, but you know, that's fine as long as this thing works. Oh, look at this. I definitely like the fact that it's super thin, lightweight, and just can slide into anywhere into the vehicle. In my case, I'm going to actually slide it right here and just leave it there and just have it out the way. Very cool, I like this. Then we have two cables right here, one from USB-C to USB-C and the other one from USB-C to actual normal USB. If your vehicle has USB-C, you get this one. If your vehicle like mine has these, the original USB, you hook this bad boy up and you're good to go. In my case, I'm going to be using this, and then you have the literature right here. However, it's so simple. This is foolproof, guys. I'm not going to use the literature. Throw that away. Actually, no, place it down right here. And let's unplug this right here because we're not going to need this cable anymore. Let's unplug this. There we go. Unplug this cable. Bye, cable. We don't need you anymore. We're going to plug the USB-C into here. This can't get any simpler than this, guys. Just plug it into the actual USB port where your data goes. We're going to get to my phone. Click on Smart Box right here on the Bluetooth side of things. Click on Pair, Allow, and look at this, guys. It's already reading the USB and should pop up. Boom. Oh my goodness, look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Now let's see actually how smooth this is. Okay, it's not bad. There is some lag, but I mean, that's expected. It is wireless. However, I do believe it's also my vehicle. It is an older model vehicle, and this lag is normal. Let's go to settings. Everything opens up pretty fast, pretty well. Let's go to Google Maps right here. It's doing a pretty good job, guys. This is actually really good. Let's go to messages. Everything is right there, guys. As you can see, this is really, really cool. Wireless Apple CarPlay, guys. No more needing to do wires. This is the way to do it. This is a simple product, guys. Absolutely beautiful and just works flawlessly. I'm so happy to have this, guys, because now I can just put this down, have my actual phone right here, and boom, look at that. I don't have to actually have it plugged into the wire, to the cable or anything like that. This is all wireless and I can have it right here and I'm good to go, guys. So I can just throw this thing away. So if you have wired CarPlay, guys, get rid of this cable and get this device for wireless CarPlay. Links are going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it. Now, if you do not have Apple CarPlay already in your vehicle, you're going to want to check out the video that's going to pop up at the end of this video. But that's been it for this video. Catch you in the next video. Kendrick here saying thanks for watching and peace.